Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a home update. I don't know if I talked about this on my last video, but I did order some new dining chairs for my morning room. And I did add a beautiful mirror that I was crushing on for a long time over my fireplace, which I'm going to show you. So those are things that I'm going to share with you today and maybe a little bit more. So if you're interested, keep watching.
But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together.
So these are the Jagger chairs, and I did get 6 of them, and that's how it looks. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. And I did get a new rug. So yeah, those are the Jagger chairs. And right now I'm playing with these shares right now. I have black right there, and I still have the white right there. Now this is not by design. I'm just looking to see which one I actually want to go with. And let me get back a little bit more. And I really like the black one. I think it goes really nice with the chairs. And I also like the white, but I also was thinking about going with maybe a cream color one, chairs to pull out the cream and the rug. So yeah, what do you think? Should I go with black, white, or the cream? The cream I'm going to go ahead and put up later, and I'll probably do a reel on Instagram so you can look at it on the reel. But the Jagger chairs are really nice. They're small. I didn't think they were that small, but they are small. But they are. I like the aesthetics. I like the brass color handles, and like I said, I got it in black. Didn't want white at all because I have enough white throughout my kitchen, and I wanted some contrast with my dining table. So those are the Jagger chairs. What do y'all think? How y'all think they look? Now, prior to having these, y'all, I had these from Sea Gallery. I'm gonna change them. I'm gonna get the matching counter stools from our house to go right here, but in the meantime I'm gonna rock these right now. These are gonna be repurposed. They're gonna go down in the basement. We're gonna be getting the basement done this year, so this is gonna be the vibe in the basement. But these are actually the same chairs that I had over there before, and I changed them to those chairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and order, not right now because these chairs are mad expensive. So I'm gonna order from our house the counter stools. And why is my battery on almost dead? Yeah, battery's on almost dead, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the mirror. The mirror that I've been crushing on, and there it is. And that mirror is from Anthropologie. So that's the mirror from Anthropologie. I think this is the 5 feet that I got above my fireplace. I'm also thinking about getting the bigger one to go in my front room. But I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I went back and forth about if I was going to get it or not, but I am totally loving it. What do y'all think? Okay, so that's what I've done. Those are the updates so far. Slowly but surely changing up things in here. Look at Peppa. Peppa is knocked out. Hey, Pep. Peppa is knocked out. Oh. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and charge the battery and probably pop back on. But before that, I want to show you my coffee table, how I styled it. I pulled back out the, what do you call these? These flowers. Pull those back out and just added some brass. Like I said, I was going to incorporate some brass. What is that? So I added some brass to the coffee table, added some brass goldish brass right here, and added some also over here. And I really do want y'all to help me with the curtains back here, to tell me which ones, it's kind of really out of light, but which ones you prefer, the black ones or the white ones. I'm gonna change these as well, and I'm going back and forth with what I want. I'm thinking I want black pendants. I'm not sure. Yeah, I did put it up on Instagram a little while ago, and yeah, about 4 different ones that I was interested in. Let me tell you, when you are decorating your home, when you are putting your home together, take your time and buy pieces that you love. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is that you're going to end up spending more money and changing it out, unless you are the type of person that just like to change stuff out all the time. But I used to be like that. I'm not like that anymore. Too much money. So once I change and get this morning room together, which the morning room is done, I'm going to get the bar stools, and the whole this side kitchen morning room will be done. And then gonna get a nice sofa. But that's it for today. Just wanted to give you some updates, and I'll be back with some more stuff. See y'all. Bye.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever.